Okay, we've got about 7 hours more of snow, and I was going to head out, take some pictures, but there's about 4 foot of snow drifts outside my garage already. Holy cow. Amazing. Oh my goodness. It's about a 5-footer right there. Oh, this came up fast, all this wind, and it's supposed to get worse. It's supposed to get windy by the end of the day as well. But there's no way I'm going to get out of here, even with my 4-wheel drive. Wow. It's like this side of the building, guys. The other side doesn't have it. Trying to get some type of a perspective here. Okay, there's the Jeep. Trying to get down low here. See where the snow drifts are. Wow. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere right now. Go upstairs, get my cup of coffee. See if I can get some work done on the internet. Whew. You haven't seen this type of snow since what, 1999? Yeah, I was living in Schaumburg. Just dropped off the kids in the snow for 2 days solid. Okay, oops, getting snow on the lens here. And that's it.